professional doctor, this is how to install a glass protector on your phone. So make sure that first of all you have the protector, as you see, and but also in your bag you can see the wipers. These wipers there are two, first and the second. The first is wet, but the second is dry. So you can take this wet and clean on your screen. Clean on your screen. Make sure that you remove everything on your screen. Clean well. Before installing the projector. And this can help you when you're installing without cleaning. You can see the bubbles, too many bubbles. So yes, remove like they don't touch the back. Okay, this one. So make sure that you put the center, store the center. You can see everywhere like this. Yes, as you see, and up one, if you are not installed properly, you can move and make size like this. Okay, so slide like this, so you can see this protector. No bubbles on your screen, no bubbles. The screen is very good, very nice. Okay, you can see that is okay. Okay.